Today, I want to talk to you about a project that will bring the wonders of nature into the lives of our young learners. Brookwood has a vision to create a forest school, a space where children can truly immerse themselves in nature. The goal is to provide a holistic space that supports play, exploration, and risk-taking, where learner-inspired, hands-on experiences are in a natural setting. This is an opportunity to make a real impact on the lives of young learners and the community as a whole. By donating to this year's Fund a Need initiative, you can help make the dream a reality. Your support is crucial in helping us create a lasting impact on our students and our greater community. Remember, the future of our planet lies in the hands of the next generation. Let's give them the tools and experiences they need to build a better world. Thank you for your support. Join us in creating a lasting impact on our students, our community, and our world. Donate to the Forest School Fund a Need initiative today.